Once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important questions. Question that is why the standard meridian of the India is 82 degree and 30 minutes. So for the sake of convenience, I have this map in front of you. So without wasting time, let us start this video and we'll see how the standard meridian of the India is 82 degree 30 minutes. So see, this is the map of the India. In the map of the India, it is clearly shown that two longitudes that is shown here. See, that is the two extreme ends of the India. That is, one is here, another one is here. So the standard meridian is passing through the middle of the India, that is and this angle is 82 degree and 30 minutes. So there is lot of confusion among the students how this standard meridian will come out to be 82 degree and 30 minutes. So let us solve this problem. So for this, let us see the longitudes of the India are, first of all you have to understand the extreme ends of the India has a value of 68 degree and the another one is 97 degree. So if we take the mean of these two, because these are the extreme ends of the India, so if we are taking the mean of these two, like 68 plus 97, that will gives you 165, and when you divided it by 2, that will gives you 82.5 degree. This value is 82.5 degree, but the actual standard meridian which is shown in the book is 82 degree 30 minutes. Now how this value will come, I'll show you. What you have to do, you have to convert degree into radian. What you have to do, you have to first of all omit this point and place the 10 here and convert this term into the mixed fraction. By doing so, I'll convert it into a mixed fraction. 10 8s are 80, then 2, take 5 here, 10 2s are 20, then take 5, then this would be 82 5 by 10. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply it with 60 to convert it into minutes. So this would comes to be 82 degree and 5 6 are 30 minutes. So this how the standard meridian of the earth would become to be 82 degree and 30 minutes, which I show you in this here. This is 82 degree and 30 minutes. Hope you understand this, but I have many people have a confusion in this, because the actual longitudes of the India are 68 degree and 7 minutes and few seconds. Similarly, and the next extreme end is 97 degree 25 minutes and few seconds. But for the sake of calculation, I am taking here 68 degree and 97 degree. Actually, if you consider these minutes also, you will have the same answer, approximately 82 degree and 30 minutes. For this, why we have taken 82 degree and 30 minutes, which is approximately in between these two. It is not exact value 82 degree 30 minutes. I'll tell you that truth also. Actually, what will happen, in the last video I'll cover this thing. The whole earth, which completes the once complete circle in 24 hours, it means 360 degree earth will cover in 24 hours. So in 1 hour, 1 degree it will cover 24 by 360 degree, and in 60 minutes it will in 1 minute it will cover 4 degree by, if you multiply it with 60. And this I already covered in the last video. If you have not watched it, I'll advise you to just go and watch that video, in which you can easily understand how 1 minute is equal to 4 degree. Now by taking this similar concept, this is a 4 degree for a 1 minute. So the countries, we'll come back to the this map. So what the countries or the states which are in front of which are on the right hand side of this map, and for each and every state they have a particular value of their longitude. So while by calculating the longitude value, the difference of the longitude with this standard meridian, you can calculate its local time. So in the last video I'll cover already one very important question, that there is a difference of 2 hours in between the Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh. So that also I covered with the help of one example, and if you have not watched that, I'll advise you to just go and watch that video, why there is a time difference between 2 hours between Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh. That is, the time difference is what we call the local time difference. But if we are talking about the whole country, in the whole country the time remains same. That is what we call Indian Standard Time, and that Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of this standard meridian, which is just in between the two longitudes of the India. In the same way, in each and every country they calculated their own international standard time by calculating the meridian, the central meridian. So like in Australia, if we are talking about the Australia, see here they have their own longitudes of and they also calculated the standard meridian. So through that standard meridian they calculated the standard time throughout the country. So one more question I would like to reveal here, that is, the countries which are ahead with us through this central meridian, they are their time is leading with us, and those countries which are on the left hand side of this international standard, this standard meridian, are lacking in the time with us. So I hope you understand the importance of this standard meridian, and this is the only value by the virtue of which we have a common standard time throughout our nation. So although the time between the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, as I told you, it is 2 hours difference. It means if in the Gujarat it is 6 o'clock in the local time, then at the same time in Arunachal Pradesh it is 8 o'clock in local time. But if we are talking about the international time, the standard time which is shown in the watch throughout the country, it is remain same. It means when you saw the time at Gujarat 6 that is 6 o'clock, at the same time if you call your friend who is living in Arunachal Pradesh and wearing some watch, in his watch the time is also the same 6 o'clock, because that is the standard time. But in actual, the local times are differ by 2. I hope you understand this. We will come back with some new and innovative videos soon. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.